how is your working relationship now with all the other judges, especially with the new one, with Pablo?
Working relationship, parang kasi mga brothers ko na kasi itong mga to eh. And ako kasi personally talaga growing up, parang one of the boys din ako. Kaya parang hindi nalalayo yung parang yung vibe ko whenever I'm with guys. So, pagkakasama ko silang lahat, parang komportable talaga ako. Tsaka alam ko na kahit na this is still a competition and may mga bardagulan moments kami, parang it's just a normal sibling relationship between them.
And ano specifically yung hahanapin mo this season when it comes to the kids? Tsaka may preparation ka bang ginagawa kasi syempre mga bata?
Anything specific? Well, actually, I've been saying this all the time. Pero ang hinahanap ko kasi usually yung someone who who's versatile, who can do a lot of things, someone na pwede mong turuan ng kahit anong bagay at pwede mong kasama sa pag-explore ng mga bagay-bagay. And ako this time siguro hinahanap ko yung talagang, kasi pag bata, di ba, charming sila, di ba? Siguro yun yung hinahanap ko talaga. And yung may connection, hindi lang sa akin, pero sa mga manonood.